Rocky. Oh.
Daddy.
Yeah.
I'll leave it there.
Oh.
Your turn.
Yeah then.
Your turn.
Oh God.
Now your turn to get that.
I'm filming. Can you get it for me?
That is over. You got hurt like that. You got hurt like that.
Yeah, so it's just next day.
I think I got
Hey.
Come on, Rock.
Guess what I found that day? Daddy?
Yeah.
I found a baby feather.
Oh wow, look at that.
Mum, I found a baby feather.
Yeah, I think most people think
Oh, look at it.
Yeah, most of these paths say no bikes as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Last time we were here, I saw someone going up there.
I know there are paths for bikes.
But someone went up there.
Oh right, well we should just ignore it then.
He's so calm, Trisha.
Cold?
No, he's calm. It's
Oh.
cold as well.
Daddy?
You think it's cold? Yeah. Oh hello, it's lovely out here.
Let's go there.
Where?
Oh, it's so much.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look what happened. It's all broken that. Look on it, I reached there. It was so old. And you can fall down. It must have, it's got a mess down a bucket if I don't know the boys don't know where they are.
One day we have to come here with a van and bring some logs to make a new bridge.
That'd be a good thing to do for the.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good idea.
That's a great idea, Bran.
And you can go, and I can go up that way. Just like that.
Rocky, Brannis, come here.
Here,
Brannis, come back here.
Rocky. Come here. Leave the goats alone.
Yeah. Poor goats. Pop it in my pocket then. Yeah. Thank you. What? Those ones on the floor there? I don't know, I was asking you that the other day.
I know what it is in the sun. Too long, I said.
Stinks?
Yes, something stinks there.
No,
Yeah.
let's leave it like that.
Huh?
Let's leave it like that.
Yeah, let's leave it as a mystery.
Daddy, how about you try that?
What, walk over that?
Yeah.
Yeah, how about I don't?
How about you try that?
Yeah, you'd love that, wouldn't you?
You will love that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bet you'd love it more if I did.
Daddy, how about I go there?
Don't, because then I've got to go and get it.
Oh. I need to go.
Huh?
Don't have to ride it in here.
Probably. Yeah.
Daddy, how about I go there and you get?
No, how about you don't?
How about you can?
How about you throw it down there and you go get it?
How about I go there and you will jump there and there?
No, Branny, stop it.
Rocky, come on.
How about I go there and I try it?
It's maple.
I think so, yeah. Yeah, it is.
Now, Daddy, I can do that.
No,
Anna,
no,
I can break that.
no.
Yes. Yes, mine. Yes, mine.
Shall I bother with this?
No,